Hi, I'm Amy. I was taught woodworking is fun at a young age. My dad had a wood shop in the basement, and I used to sneak down and mess around with his tools and wood. The first project I remember building was a mini table for my kitty. Since woodworking is my favorite hobby, I try to inspire others to love it too. These are a few things that I do to inspire future generations to love woodworking too. I built this sleigh-style crib for my kids so that they could get a real taste for fine cherry wood. Tastes great, huh? I post free plans online to help others create beautiful furniture and crafts. Teach them young, woodworking is fun!